Let's begin tonight's coverage with news that lawyers representing Raila Odinga in the Building Bridges initiative have sought to clear President Uhuru Kenyatta from claims that he personally promoted the constitutional amendment process.
Senior Counsel Otiende Amollo, in his submissions before the Appellate Court, said former lawmaker Denis Waweru and Suna East Member of Parliament Junet Mohammed are in fact the promoters of the initiative, and that President Uhuru Kenyatta is merely a supporter of the process.
Serafina Robi begins our coverage tonight with that story.
On the second day of the hearing of the consolidated BBI appeals, lawyer Otiende Amollo on Wednesday moved to poke holes into the ruling by the High Court, which indicted the conduct of the president in the push for constitutional review.
That the promoters of this initiative was Honorable Denis Waweru and Honorable Junet Mohammed. The court insists on finding that His Excellency President Uhuru Kenyatta was the promoter of this initiative.
Otiende further argued that there is no law barring the president from supporting any initiative.
Any person in this country, including the president, including this court, can support the initiative, in the words of Article 257.
Lawyers Gatonye, Mohammed and Kimani Kiragu, in the defense of the head of state, argue that the High Court erred when it ruled that the president can be sued while in office.
Our rules are very clear, my lords. No one should be condemned without being heard. And indeed, their lordships did make a finding that, look, the president should have come here, should have responded through his own advocate.
That hold that the president is immune from criminal or civil proceedings while in office.
The IEBC, led by the representation of former Attorney General Githu Muigai, defended itself against claims of verification of signatures and that it lacks requisite quorum to oversee a referendum.
Only the Supreme Court of Kenya can issue an advisory opinion. The High Court decided to give advisory opinions on hypothetical issues, coached in the language that it did.
The administrative processes have been mischaracterized. They've been mischaracterized and elevated to a position where they would fall to be under the Statutory Instruments Act, which they are not.
Well, Attorney General Emeritus Githu Muigai warning against some of the grounds that part of the Constitution cannot be changed, saying that this could result to an insurrection.
It is a very dangerous proposition, and it only invites insurrection.
The hearing continues on Thursday, where respondents in the hearing will continue giving their submissions. For Prime Edition, I'm Serafina Robi.